We are having fun with isomalt. We're gonna make a mini bunny cake and a mini carrot cake. Welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. Make sure and go check out KURLINAS Foodie Chronicles. Collaborating with her today, and her YouTube channel is linked right there. She's also doing some fun isomalt technique over on her channel. And we are going to make some little mini Easter cakes today. We're gonna make a little Easter bunny and a little carrot, because what's an Easter bunny without his carrot? All right, to get started, all I did here is with my isomalt, I just have these little bags of isomalt. You can see, super fun, easy way to make isomalt. You can do it a different way, but today, like I said, I just like to go the easy route here at Shalice Bakes Cakes. We're gonna melt these little isomalt nibs, and all you do is put them in a glass microwave safe bowl, throw them in the microwave for about a minute, take it out, stir it, keep it back in there for about 30-second intervals, and when it starts bubbling, that's when you know it's ready. And all I'm gonna make today is we're gonna make the carrot stems out of isomalt. So it's an easy technique, just a fun isomalt technique today. Isomalt's really hot when it comes out of the microwave. It's very, very hot, or off the stove, so just be careful with it. And all I'm gonna do is just dump it right here on my pan, just on a silicone mat, and I'm just gonna dump it right out. I'm gonna do just individual little strips, so I'll just pour like a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there, and we'll see which one we like better once they're dried. Next, you can see I have my cake in front of me. It's just a little mini 4-inch cake, and I'm gonna cover it with my orange buttercream. And then we have to give it a little bit of texture because it's going to be a carrot. I just have my mini micro cake scraper, which is one of my favorites. All right, so I'm just gonna pull nice and slow. Just keep going. You'll see it's starting to get the little texture that we want. And then we go back and start filling in the parts that we missed with more buttercream. Keep going with that same technique and just keep doing that until you have a nice textured buttercream. Look at that orange cute cake. It's gonna be a cute carrot, guys. To finish off our carrot cake, we need some dirt because we're pulling this carrot out of the ground. Okay, now all I did is I just have my Oreos and I just put them in a food processor and crushed them all up so they look like dirt. And we're just gonna place them around the bottom of this orange cake so it looks like we have some dirt. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on the top to give it a little bit more dirt, kind of carroty look on top. Now it's time to add our isomalt shards. So now we're gonna break up the isomalt and kind of see what we wanna use to make it look like our cute little carrot stems. To make it look like the top of our cute little carrot. So I'm gonna break some up. I do like these longer ones, so I think we're gonna keep those. And now we're just gonna put it in the top of the cake and make it look like a carrot. And there you have it, the cutest little carrot. What's a carrot without a bunny? What's a bunny without a carrot? We never want this to happen. We need them to be together. So of course I had to make a mini bunny cake to go with our mini carrot cake. just can't get over the cuteness of this mini Easter bunny. She's so cute. Not to be outdone, however, by her cute little carrot. Thanks so much for watching here at Shelley's Bakes Cakes, and I just wanted to show you guys a fun, simple technique using isomalt. It can be as simple as just making this cute top of our carrot. So easy, so much fun. Go in your kitchens, try it. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. Have an awesome, awesome day.